Hi, this is Marty Lecklatter, the product manager for Leap, with a look at the new default theme in Leap 939 and Domino Leap 117. The theme is called Enchanted, and it's based on the Enchanted open source HCL design spec. We'll start by looking at the old theme. I've assembled a simple form with some different styles, a section, and various widgets. This is the form in the old flat blue theme. Right away you notice the blue bar at the top of the section, the white background for the section, as well as the form and the page background, and there's a certain size and font that's used throughout. Looking at the same form with the Enchanted theme, we see a much better look. First off, you notice the blue bar is gone. Sections are much cleaner, the backgrounds are gray, the page background is gray, the fonts look crisper, they're different sizes, and overall just a much better looking form. There are also some notable changes to tables and the data grid. So here we have a table with the flat blue theme and a data grid, and of course the dialog that pops up. In the new theme you get a cleaner look to both, and the dialog that pops up has got a much better look to it. You'll also see some changes in view data. So this is the old default blue theme, and then with the new theme you see a cleaner look as well as better looking dialogues. And of course you can make customizations to your theme, which you've been able to do in Leap, but can now also do in Domino Leap starting with 117. I'll change the name of this customization, and we'll go and we'll change some font sizes. So we'll bump that up to 13, as well as the label fonts. And let's go ahead and change the background color of the buttons to black. And because they're black, we want a white font. And we also want to get rid of the border, because a blue border doesn't look good with a black button. And we'll click OK to save this. And what I can do is export this customization for use in other applications, or perhaps to share with somebody. If I'm going to use that customization, I simply just import it into the app that I'm working on. And here we see the changes that were made. The last thing I'll touch on is for those more technically inclined, and that is the fact that the new theme uses CSS variables. Now of course you can go into the style editor and you can make changes, but maybe there's something that you can't change there that if you knew something about CSS you could. Well, you can go to the variables easily through your browser, and here they all are. So as an example, maybe I wanted to change the H1 font size. Maybe I think 32 is a little bit too big, so I can tone that down. And you can take any of those changes, you can put them right into the style editor, or you can add them to a CSS style sheet and make it part of the app. So in summary, the new theme provides a clean, modern look, which will let you build more beautiful apps. It is the default theme for all new apps you create, starting with Leap 939 and Domino Leap 117. The old theme remains in the product, and of course, if you want to retrofit your existing apps with the new theme, you can do so. For more information, follow the QR code on this page.